We're Jalen and Daniella, and in May of 2022, we decided to sell our things, buy a school bus, and build it out to be the traveling home of our dreams. Since January of 2023, we've been traveling the United States, experiencing amazing eats, killer views, and meeting other creative beings. We invite you to hop on the cream-based bus and make memories with us that will last a lifetime.
Hello, hello.
Hi!
We've got this box here that we started opening, and then we realized we should probably do this on video. Be really cool. This box is from our friend in NOLA, which is like, what, north something?
New Orleans, Louisiana.
New Orleans, Louisiana?
I'm pretty sure that's
NOLA?
what NOLA is.
I thought it was like North Louisiana.
Oh. No,
Right?
New
No?
Orleans, Louisiana.
His name is Ron Tolley, and he runs a ceramic studio out of Louisiana, out of New Orleans. And today we're going to open up that package and see the things that we made at his class that we took while we were in town. Cute little date night. And we made some cool stuff. So we're about to find out what that is. And I think there's also a piece that that Ron made with us in here too. So we got a Ron Tolley original and, what, 3, 4?
Daniella and Jalen originals.
Yeah, 4 of them, right?
I don't remember. Yeah, if you didn't see that video yet, it is our 48 hours in New Orleans, and Ron gave us a little date night, 2-year anniversary gift, basically, where we got to throw some pottery.
Yeah.
You can see the smoke like rolling across the lens, so I'm sorry if it looks weird.
There's not an actual danger.
We're safe. It is a contained fire. Okay, before we start, I'm just going to quickly look up his Instagram so that we can give it to you. It is Ron Tolley Ceramics, and we will link him in the description below. So you can go check out his work, and if you're in
Nolans.
If you're in
Nolans.
If you're in Nolans, you should go take a class with him because it was a ton of fun.
It was a ton of fun. We got to meet his wife. It was great.
Yeah, her name is also Daniella. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's do it.
And what's so cool about this is since we're traveling and we weren't around to do the whole process, we were able to pick our glazes, and he glazed and fired it for us and shipped it to like a home address for us to pick up or somewhere on the road.
The home address that,
Wanna
if
take
you
turns?
can zoom in, is right here.
Oh no. I'll turn the box around.
So send us stuff.
Yeah, send Jalen's mom like a ton of things in our name.
Yeah, and then we'll just open everything on camera. Oh, that is the Ron Tolley original.
Wow.
First one.
First one.
Very cool.
It
We'll show you
looks great.
some close-ups of these as well.
I love the like wavy design that he does, and the little lip on the bottom.
Yeah, it's like wobbly.
Yeah.
And the lip on the bottom
This is
good.
good.
It's really great.
Yeah, I love it.
It literally looks like the ocean.
Yeah, it does.
It's like waves
like
on the sand.
Oh wow.
Yeah, it's good.
Like the foam.
Yeah, totally.
Cool.
Cool.
Here you go. So pick the next one.
Oatmeal. Oatmeal
Oh,
glaze.
yeah.
This was, this is the small vase that I made. Vase vase. It's got a hole in the
Planter.
bottom there, a little planter.
Cute.
Oh, I made that with my own hands.
Yeah. What should we
Seems
put in
professional.
this?
We
And
did good.
We can put like an herb in it.
Yeah,
We can put like mint or something, or.
mint will look cute.
Okay, next.
Oh,
Jalen, this is yours too.
I don't like that one as much.
No?
No.
I like it.
Is this the one I was like, I'm gonna go thinner? And he was like, alright, you could probably go one more time.
I don't remember.
I don't know what I'm gonna use that for though.
We're gonna find a home for all of these things. Yeah.
It's a good
shame.
color. I just have no idea what I'm gonna use that for.
Is that my bowl?
I think this is your bowl.
They feel smaller. I feel like they shrunk in the kiln.
They probably do shrink a little bit in the kiln, yeah. Oh yeah. See, this feels good. Like it's rounded for hands.
Yeah.
Like you could actually drink some tea in this and be like, super. That's great. Oatmeal also.
So cute.
I don't remember the other color combos.
I think it was like that rusty one.
Mm-hmm.
It's a cute little wonky bowl. Yeah, I'm gonna drink tea out of it. Oh, I love it.
We made so many.
I think this is the last one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, one more. Oh yeah, I think this one.
Whoa.
It's my little dish.
Mm-hmm. It's a good dish.
It's good.
Mm-hmm. Good color.
Yeah, I like this color.
Mm-hmm.
It kind of like...
Gets like a little bit of that one, yeah.
They match really
Mhm.
well. We need to find homes for them.
They don't have homes.
They don't have homes.
What's your favorite one?
They're cute.
Probably
I think
a
I
bowl.
like this one.
Yeah?
I like this color, I think. What's your favorite one?
It's between these two. I mean, his is just gorgeous.
Yeah.
I love that it literally looks like the ocean.
Yeah.
But the oatmeal looks good on this, like, this shape, I think.
Cool.
Well, thanks for hanging out with us while we open up some little gifts. We'll take some close-up shots so you can see these as well. And do you have anything else you want to say in this video?
Can't believe we've got over 300 subscribers.
360 something? 72? 372?
372. That is incredible. Thank you all. And we just learned today is our 1 year YouTube anniversary.
It's true. YouTubeversary.
Isn't that fun?
It's pretty cool.
So big shout out to you guys. Thanks everyone. Check out Ron Tolley Ceramics. And don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Cream-based bus.
Cream-based bus. Are we smooching?
Yeah.
I don't think we're allowed to smooch on YouTube. We're gonna get banned. Let's start all over again.
No. Okay.